to my channel. So today's video is going to be all about matcha. And matcha is basically a finely ground powder made from green tea leaves, and it's packed full of chlorophyll. It has tons of antioxidants. It helps you relax, it helps you detox, it boosts your metabolism, and the list can just go on and on. It's an amazing superfood not only for the body but also for the skin. So today I'm going to show you different ways that you can enjoy all the benefits of matcha in your everyday beauty routine. So let's begin. Matcha is loaded with skin benefits. It treats inflammation, reduces any redness from skin conditions like acne, it prevents signs of aging thanks to its high antioxidant content, and it's just really great for improving your overall complexion. A really simple mask I like to do is to simply mix 1 teaspoon of matcha powder with 1 teaspoon of raw honey. And you guys know how much I love my Manuka honey. It's a wonderful skin healer. I've talked about the benefits in many of my videos. And now you just want to spread this evenly all over your face and neck and leave it on for about 15 minutes. This mask is so nourishing and moisturizing, and it leaves the skin with a really nice natural glow. And I think we all know that healthy skin starts from within, and matcha is a powerful antioxidant drink full of nutritional benefits. It's particularly full of catechins, which are linked to fighting diseases. And matcha is basically a highly concentrated form of green tea. And just so you can get an idea, you'd have to drink about 10 cups of green tea in order to get all the benefits that 1 cup of matcha can provide. And this is because matcha allows us to consume and receive the benefits from the entire leaf, unlike regular green tea. And its chlorophyll content also helps cleanse the body of toxins and gives your immune system a boost. It's also a great natural energy drink. I love drinking this in the afternoon when I'm feeling a little bit low on energy. It not only gives me the boost that I need, but it also helps calm my mind at the same time, so it really allows me to be more productive. And the brand I love also has flavored matcha like this peach one right here, but they also have vanilla, they have chocolate, and they're all really yummy. And the best part is you can enjoy this as a tea, or you can make a latte instead. Just sift 1 teaspoon of matcha into a bowl, add about 2 ounces of pre-boiling water, and whisk in a W or M motion until froth starts forming at the top. Now at this point you want to add 4 to 6 more ounces of water if you're making a tea, and then pour this into your favorite mug and it's ready to drink. Now if you're making a latte, you follow the same first 2 steps, except instead of adding more water, you add 4 to 6 ounces of steamed milk and your choice of sweetener. And now your latte is ready to enjoy. The caffeine found in matcha also helps constrict blood vessels and reduce puffiness and dark circles. All you need is a 1/4 teaspoon of matcha and half a cup of previously boiled water. Dissolve the matcha in the warm water just as if you were making a tea. Once it's dissolved, pour this into an ice tray. Place this in the freezer, and now you have plenty of matcha ice cubes for every morning. Rub this underneath your eyes for a few minutes. It not only feels nice and cooling on the skin, but it also helps to kind of wake you up at the same time. And this also doubles up as a toner because the tannins in matcha help tighten the pores and keep the skin firm, so feel free to rub this all over your face as well. Matcha contains something known as EGCG, which is a powerful antioxidant that helps slow down the signs of aging, keeping the skin smooth and tight. It also reduces inflammation and evens out the skin tone. And you can add all the benefits of matcha into your daily facial moisturizer. Just melt a 1/4 cup of shea butter using the double boiler method, and once it's completely melted, take it off the heat and let it cool down. Now stir in an 1/8 cup of jojoba oil and half a teaspoon of matcha. Once it's all combined, place the mixture in the fridge and let it solidify for approximately 1 hour. Now stir this by hand or use a handheld mixer and whip until it turns into a creamy consistency. Store this in a jar, and now it's ready to use. And you can use this whenever you want, but I personally like to use this at night. Just apply a small amount of this moisturizer to your face and neck after cleansing and toning. The polyphenols and catechins found in matcha can also help reduce the effects of the sun and protect our skin. Mix a little bit of matcha with aloe vera gel, which is also amazing for the skin, especially for sunburn. It helps relieve many of the symptoms and it's just very healing. And now you can apply this directly on the affected area for a soothing sunburn treatment or to protect the skin from the rays of the sun. So those are some really simple ways that you can add matcha into your daily beauty routine. And let me know in the comment section below if you drink matcha on a daily basis, and if you do you drink it as a latte or as a tea? I think I'm definitely more of a traditional person and I really love my teas. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to click the like button if you did, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!